back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I film this look using this palette right here. If you don't know what this palette is, it's the James Charles palette. You probably do because you've probably seen it all over Instagram and stuff, but yeah. And if you want to see more using this palette, then let me know down below. Make sure you comment, like and subscribe. Hit the bell button as well so you know when I next post. Follow my makeup Instagram, it'll all be linked down below. That's where I'm mostly active. If I'm not on here, that's where I am on there. And yeah, so now that's all on, nice and set, I'm gonna go in with my GH33 brush and right into this middle shade right here. And then with what's left on the rest of my brush, I'm just going to go up and blend that away. I always like to take my eyeshadows really high as well. It's because I feel like it just makes my eye look so much bigger and makes them stand out a lot more. This colour here just to start to deepen the crease a little bit. I'm using a very light hand as well. I'm just going to blend the edges into that dark crease. Back in that shade I used first time. In the middle of that purple, that gold right there. So I'm going to use my Maybelline gel liner. I'm just going to go across my lid.
Where's my mirror? Why do I lose everything? Found it.
Just going to apply to the top of my lashes. And now I'm going to do my lower lash line, under eye smoke. So for that I'm going to take these two Morphe pencils, which is the one in ginger.
They're a bit dirty. My bad on that bit, but
I'm using this one in ginger, which is more of a hot pink, and then this one in Showstopper, which is more of a baby pink. Now that's in my waterline, I'm going to take it underneath my lash line as well. So I'm just going to reapply this one in Showstopper right under my eye. And then I'm going to go back in. Push that right up to the lash line. This one, which is more of a purple one. And just with a really light hand, go across the edges. For lashes, I'm using the Tatty lashes in the style Mitchell.
Mine have been loved and abused, so I'm not going to show you what they look like, but I'll be right back when they're on.
So my lashes are now on. Now for my base, I've already put primer down, like I've put a bit of moisturiser down. So that's going to act as my base today. So for foundation, I'm going to be using a Too Faced Born This Way. And this is in the shade Warm Beige. 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to dot this around my face. Mix this concealer as well. So to blend all that together, I'm going to use my JH08 brush. I love this concealer brush. If you don't have it, you need to get it. And I'm just going to blend this in. When I'm blending, I'm not swiping, I'm pressing. Almost like when you're using a beauty blender and you push it into your skin, that's what I'm doing with the brush.
Don't you just love when your phone cuts out because it's full storage and you don't realise until you're fucking halfway through finishing?
All I did was put some mascara on my bottom lash and blended my concealer in, and then add a little bit more pink to this eye, and that's all I did. So I'm going to go back in with my bronzer now and just go over that cream contour. filming. I'll start the after I've done. So my phone decided to die and cut out as I was doing my brow, and I didn't realise because I was concentrating. So I'll talk you through what I did. So I used this Got To Be Glued. I also used a little bit of this as well, clear brow gel, but I just like using the spoolie out of this because I like the size of it. But honestly, I bought these two together. I've heard this been raved about all over Instagram. I remember how much it says. I think it's about £3, £4 maybe. For this little 5ml bottle, which is literally like that big. Or you can get this, which is 50ml for £2. It's a travel size, that's why it's £2, but
All this will last you so long.
I mean, honestly, I wish I'd have just got this. If you want me to do a more in-depth brow tutorial, then I will do. But yeah, let me know in the comments, because I would like to do some how-tos and stuff like that. So, and leave a comment. Today I'm going to be using my Morphe highlighter, which is this beautiful creation right here. I'm just going to apply it to my highlighted areas. Oh, actually, I'm going to use two highlighters. On the other side, on the other cheekbone, I'm actually going to use the one from this palette, the James Charles palette, which is just that one there. I've only ever used this once and I don't remember what it looked like, so I'm going to do a little comparison to my favourite Morphe.
I mean, that's a little bit pretty. Oh, that's real pretty. I like that a
So
lot.
I'm going to be using my Strip Down Liner from MAC. Dazzle lip gloss. It looks very similar to the Duet one, the lip topper they did come out with.
I mean, she's shiny.
But yeah, this is the look complete.